There's few places in the world with snow like that, and it just brought back lots of old memories. Here in Jackson, hoping to ride the Grand. I spent time here. I wanted the Tetons to be in deeper. I wanted them to be in further. Yeah, we ran into a pretty solid wind slab. We are retreating.
You know, I just jumped in. I didn't really think too much about it. It was kind of like, there's an opportunity. This is the right crew. I feel good about it. I feel like my riding's solid, and it would be a great opportunity, a great chance to do it.
Brian has been the guy for Jackson Hole for as long as I can remember. Stars are somewhat aligning for a possibility to ride the Grand in a couple days. So we're going to go into the mountains tomorrow and poke around and continue to get some beta and potentially ride it in a day or two. Ah, it was looking so good. It's looking like I've done this before. In the middle of a little storm cycle in the Tetons, and gonna go stretch the legs and ride some POW. The snowmobile's ready, fueled up. Good to go. I haven't ridden snow like that in a long time, and I think there's few places in the world with snow like that, and it just brought back lots of old memories of riding Teton A grade, and it was about as good as it got today.
You know, seeing the weather window coming, you know, it looks like it's taking shape. I mean, it's, you know, if everything works out, and it'll be pretty amazing. I mean, it's definitely a lot more snow than I was kind of anticipating going into something this serious and something this big. You can't make mistakes on something like this, and that's the biggest thing. It's like it has to go a certain way.